Chama cha ODM nikyaumya ukanyo muvyu kwa Amemba mo ala malikite italuni ya uteti wa Musumbi William Ruto ala kyaweta nimaitye nzia na kuthi uvathukanu na katiba ka chama kiu nzama ila yungamie chama ki cha ODM yeweta niendeye kuyumbania nikana kusindana na syama ila ingi vilani cha usumbi kula nene siukite walo ingi cha kule muvea wa usili wa makuani na monokoti wa makuani ala matungwa iko wakati ya usili wa ikuani ila yesiyete kuseugwa kwa nzama ya kumanda makomishana manzama ya unyuvani na mipaka IEBC. Benjamin Mwaka nukuelesya.
Nzama ya kati ya ungami ya chama cha ODM ni ukanyo muvyu kwa Amemba chama ki la methitwe na unyanyo wa kuthi na President William Ruto na mavindani mao yumituki methitwe maikunia maleve usumbi wa President William Ruto wa mwaka wa 2017.
We call on all our members to remember that ODM remains a distinct political party in competition with all others to win power by democratic means. To this end, we must all be guarded in pronouncements on the future of the party and particularly refrain from beating the drums of our competitors. And you are aware that even legally, under the Political Parties Act, it is not allowed for members to be preaching the gospel of other political parties other than the parties on which they were elected. That is the law.
Ntino wa umbano uno lo atongwekwa ni muneno wa chama ki ukwati cha mwanani gavana wa Kisumu Profesa Anyang' Nyong'o zama hivi weta ODM yende kuyumbanya sana kilo cha kusinda usumbi kula nene siukite.
We must continue to strengthen ourselves in preparation for the battles ahead. The party further wishes to express concern over the delays in constitution of the IEBC selection panel that has meant denial of representation for many Kenyans in parliament. We are aware there are court orders in place stopping the empanelment and want to urge the judiciary to expedite the resolution of these cases as a matter of national urgency. The by-elections aside, the new commissioners will require time to settle in and begin preparations for the 2027 general election. There is also the question of boundary review, and we feel as a party that we are running the risk of getting into a very serious constitutional crisis.
Utumani wanza mayuke vindani ya mwema minister Silikali ne ya broad-based vamwena utongoi wa alani ni mpungeni kuma chamani cha ODM withitu itangaso theina kukwata mbau President William Ruto vamwena uteti wake ukito wasumbi.
We have made it clear here in the statement that all our members, the SG included, must be guarded in the remarks regarding 2027 and that we exist as a political party independent and ready to battle it out for power with all the other existing political parties.
Onogi ovo ODM ni akathio nyumbani wa kuendwa na chama ki ulakina atwa yesye iweta kuvikia oyu thina makwani mavilo ala yende kwithukisha kwenye utongoi miamani Kukan'Ya.
Following the largely successful grassroots elections in November at all polling units in all the 47 counties, the party received 41 appeals. The cases have been reviewed for merit, with most of them being found to be frivolous. A total of 6 appeals were found to be supported by evidence and will be proceeding to hearing before the party's appeals committee.
Mfilingi wa maovo kumavamu sinilovi nye nita wa Benjamin na Mwaka.